Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can nudge on WeChat application. Keep watching the video till the end. To nudge on WeChat, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The home page of WeChat application will appear on the screen. From the chat screen, tap on the contact that you would like to nudge or tickle, or else from the chat screen, tap on contacts and choose any one of the contacts you would like to nudge. Once you tap open the contact, click on send message option. Send a message and double tap on the person's icon in the chat, and that's how you will be able to nudge on WeChat quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.